Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Rifakta Mevia. And here I will do presentations about types of validity in language assessment. In this presentation, I will explain about definition of validity, types of validity, and conclusion. What is validity? The extent to which the results really measure what they are supposed to measure. Types of validity divided into 5. Construct validity, content validity, criterion validity, consequential validity, and phase validity. Number 1, construct validity. What is construct validity? Construct validity is about how well a test measures the concept it was designed to evaluate. Example, science students to identify and correct grammatical error, fill in the blank with the correct tense, and choose the appropriate verb from in the sentence. Number 2, context validity. Context validity is referred to the extent to which a measurement instrument, a test questionnaire or survey, accurately and adequately measure the specific content or construct it is designed to assist. Example, vocabulary test designed to assess the student's understanding of academic terms relevant to a specific subject, like biology or history. Number 3, criterion validity. What is criterion validity? Criterion validity is the degree to which scores from a construct assessment correlate with manifestations of that construct in the real world. Example, a new English proficiency test is developed and its scores are compared with the scores from an SAT. Well-known tests, such as the TOEFL test of English as foreign language. Number 4, consequential validity. What is consequential validity? Consequential validity is the potential impact of how test scores are used and interpreted in real life. Example, when high-stakes language proficiency tests, such as the TOEFL, are used for university admissions, and students who perform well on the test are accepted to the university. Number 5, phase validity. What is phase validity? Phase validity is about whether a test appears to measure what it is supposed to measure. Example, when a language proficiency test includes questions that seem to directly measure the ability to ask language in the real-life situation, such as asking students to write a short essay on the familiar topic or answer questions about scenarios they might encounter in everyday life. And last, conclusions. Validity is the extent to which the test or measurement instrument captures what is supposed to capture, divided into 5 types. 1, construct validity, 2, content validity, 3 criterion validity, 4 consequential validity, and the last 5 phase validity. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Rifa Mevia. I'm here. I want to explain about using C-test in language assessment. I made 2 questions. Text 1 is grammar. Text 2 is reading comprehension. What is a C-test in language assessment? A C-test is a kind of language evaluation used to gauge a person's proficiency, especially in the vocabulary and reading comprehension. In the C-test, a patient is shown with only the first half of each missing word, remaining after the second half of the chosen word have been removed. To finish the text taker must ask the appropriate word and to fill in the blank. Next, this is the answer key. There is 13 answer key. Next, grading. Accept word method. Each correct answer according to the context and grammar is worth 2 points. I get 2 points. If wrong answer, do not get 0 point. Responses that do not correspond with the answer key will not be accepted. Scoring. Total point is 16. The total points are 16 points because one question gets 2 points. So 15 multiplied by 2 points results in the 13 points, and 13 points multiplied by 2 because there are 2 texts, namely, and there is grammar and reading comprehension. Grading. The grading A is 14 until 16 is perfect. Grade B 13 until 13A is great. Grade C 22 until 28 is good job. Grade D 0 until 20 is bad. And last, justification. Number 1, why choose that text? Because select this specific text based on their relevant student language learning goals, level of interest, and the intellectual familiarity. And the text contain vocabulary and structure that reflect common usage and real-life scenario, supporting students in the applying what they learn, authentic communication. Number 2, how they align with language level. It includes some complex structure, but will still allow them to apply exciting knowledge and continuously improve it. The vocabulary used in the text is also appropriate to the text expect level in introducing some new words, but also containing familiar language. The last, number 3, why using C-test? Why? The C-test have several advantages when assessing language ability, unlike closed test or multiple choice questions that encourage guessing or rely on recognition. The test relies on the knowledge of vocabulary and grammar to actively identify missing words found in the context. This work reduces the likelihood of successful guessing and provides a more meaningful measure of student language abilities. Additionally, compared to open-ended writing, the C-test is faster to administer and score, providing reliable results with minimal subjectivity while improving student ability to process language and apply skills and skills in integrated manner. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.